Hello guys, today we are going to do the experiment which name is measurement of optical density through spectrophotometer using solid sample holder. Actually, physical density is different from optical density, and physical density is given by mass by volume, but optical density is the measure of how much light is bent when it is passing from air to a particular medium. Actually, different medium has different optical density. If we consider this example, when it is light is passing from air to water, then it bends towards the normal. Also, when light is passing from air to glass, it is also bends towards the normal. Actually, optical density of glass is greater than optical density of water, and optical density of water is greater than optical density of air. So when light is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal. Actually, why light is bends? Actually, velocity of light is given by uh, multiplication of frequency and wavelength. The velocity of light at air is greater than velocity of water, and velocity of light at water is greater than velocity of light at glass. As velocity of light is air at greater than velocity of light than water, so if light is passing from air to glass or water, then it bends towards the normal. When it is passing from water and glass to air, then it bends towards away from the normal. The optical density is given by log 10 base 1 by t. The procedure for doing this experiment is actually same our previous experiment. By using this formula only, we can find out the optical density. Here T is the transmittance. By using this formula, we can calculate the optical density. Guys, the procedure for doing this experiment is exactly same to our previous experiment, and in that experiment we only require the transmittance data. For doing this experiment, we first require to click on this software which is scan lambda 950, then wait for some time. Here first in the sample info write the name of the sample, which is pure silica. Then go to data collection, set the wavelength range. Now I set the wavelength range from 400 to 800, and we require the transmittance data, so I chose it percentage of t. Then click on start. Actually, first we don't put the sample inside the sample compartment part, because system first check whether there is any particles inside the compartment. Now this software gives instruction like that: remove and press OK to perform 100% transmittance. Then press OK. After completing the wavelength range from 400 to 800, software gives the instruction like that: place fused silica sample in the instrument and press OK to begin data collection. Now I place the sample inside the sample compartment part. This is our fused silica. Actually, this sample previously also used. So this is also used in our previous experiment. After, now press OK. Now scanning is complete. So this software gives instruction like that: all samples in the table have been run. Then press OK. Then press send to DPB, which is data processing and processor and viewer, which is required to get the data and the graphs. Then press file and send to WordPad, then new WordPad. And press Ctrl C and save it to Microsoft Word. Then go to DPB, then go to send to Excel, then Excel to datasheet 1. Here we get the transmittance data percentage, which is the percentage of T. From that we require only T. Here we get the percentage of T, and we require T. For getting this T value, we require to put the formula. Here we get the T values, then find out the optical density, which is getting by this equation log 1 by T. This is the T value. Here I will get the optical density data for different wavelength. Guys, I will send this result in your email. In like the previous experiment, you have to send the theory and the procedure, and then required to send the result. Okay, thank you.